now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, 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 flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick, flick.
Hey YouTube, it's your girl Stephanie coming through with another video. It is bedtime, so excuse all this ratchetness, but just wanted to, while I'm thinking about it, to let you all know, because I am loving how my skin is becoming so soft and moisturized, and it even looks like my blemishes are clearing up. I've been using my very own double whipped grape apple souffle body butter. As you can see, this body butter from my line Real Blue Cosmetics, and it also comes as a scrub. This butter is literally fluffed, like double whipped fluffed, and it goes on literally like butter. And like I said, it is very moisturizing. It is aloe vera butter that contains jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and it is lightly fragranced, and it is like a grape apple scent. You can get whatever scent you want. It can be personalized to the scent of choice, or you can have it scent free, but this is one of the most moisturizing butters on my line. It's my #1 seller out of all the butters that I have, and it is as low as $3 for the 1 ounce size. And you can get 1 ounce, 2 ounce, 4 ounce, or you can get the biggest size, which is the 8 ounce. Okay, these are great gift ideas for the holiday season, for friends and family holiday parties. I have the silver organza bags, or you can get them in the gold. And as a gift, these are coming as $10. You get 3 1 ounce jars of a body butter. You can mix and match, and like I said, you can choose the top that you like. I have these in silver. I have them in gold. And I also have the limited edition, the cobalt blue. So these are all the choices that you have. This other one that you see, this gold one, this is from my gold collection. This is a much firmer butter. This is the golden shea blue butter with the gold flakes. This one is very moisturizing as well. If you are into a much thicker butter, this would be the one for you. It is like coconut vanilla baby powder fragrance. You wouldn't believe the smell of this until you actually tried it. It is a very different combination of fragrance. That one can also be That one can also be made fragrance free if you are not into fragrances. But like I said, my main reason for coming here tonight is to show you this one, the double whipped grape apple souffle. This is on my website, realbluecosmetics.com. If you are not already a follower of mine, do not forget to subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified of different discounts and different things that I'm working on, and all the holiday sales that are coming up. Great gift ideas to give to friends and family. Again, the website is realbluecosmetics.com. Go check out the website, and to get free shipping, use the discount code FIRST PURCHASE. Okay, first purchase at checkout will get you free shipping. Okay, and turnaround time, depending on your order, is usually about 5 to 7 business days. And yeah, so that is what I'm here to come to let you know about tonight. And again, I'll see you next time. Bye, YouTube.
Pose for the camera now, flick, flick, flick. Pose for the camera now, flick, flick.